Isn't that the prettiest thing
Yes.
What is it, man?
When we're holding the...
Oh.
When he's holding the... They peck the pan when we got the pan.
Say hey, hey. Hey.
Boy. Look at that. That's pretty. That is one beautiful rooster. I mean, beautiful. I like to touch his gobbler.
Go ahead, honey.
Have you ever seen anything that looks quite like
Look at him.
rooster scone?
No. I mean, he's got blue and green on it. That is just beautiful.
Go touch him, honey. I bet you let you pet him. See if you can pet him.
No, rooster.
Rollers.
I don't like this flapper.
What is it, Jonah? What is it? Is it a bunch of chickens? Say, y'all be good, chickens. Stay out of the road. So y'all be good, chickens.
Tell him, Jonah, be good, chicken. All right, let's keep going.
All right, let's go.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, chick. Bye. Bye.